Meaning of incomprehensibly.
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 Incomprehensibly. Incomprehensibly is an adverb that describes something that cannot be understood or grasped due to its complexity, obscurity, or lack of clarity. It is used to signify that something is beyond human comprehension or understanding, and that it is difficult to make sense of or decipher. When something is described as incomprehensible, it means that it is confusing, indecipherable, or mysterious, and that it requires further analysis or explanation to be fully understood. In summary, incomprehensibly refers to something that is impossible to comprehend or understand due to its complexity or vagueness.